What's up, traders? Guys, doing an update here on BTC. So in our group, our crypto room, we talked about some of the longer term cycles yesterday. I don't really want to hit on that too much. I think probably the most helpful cyclical thing going on right now is on the 4 hour on BTC. Show you in futures. We have a daily, so we're still in this pattern of long-term lower highs, right? I mean, it's just the most obvious long-term thing right now is this pattern of lower highs. So this is the most recent pivot right at the bands. We got the bands here that are going to matter that are right kind of near the price line or the resistance. This is clearly the new pivot, guys, right up here, right? Got to get above that for any type of long-term momentum and technically a new confirmed uptrend in the market. We haven't had that since futures have even existed on Bitcoin. So that'll be pretty major. And this was marked by all lower lows. All right. And then now I'll draw it in yellow, more neutral. We've got, what do we have? Failure to make lower lows. Failure to make lower lows. That's phase 2 in our bottoming process, but this is creating a floor, obviously, right? So from a timing perspective, this daily cycle is turning down now. And why that's significant is just tells me that in the rest of this week may get a move back towards 6,000. So the daily level is telling me that. But at the same time, 4 hour is going to cycle quicker, and just depends on how you trade it. But we were covering, we made some sales in futures. So we have a core long that we're playing a lot of coins long and hold them in cold storage. But use the futures to trade around and hedge those positions. When the cycle's high, boom, short. Guess where the cycle was yesterday? We were covering. Now what's the 4 hour doing? Coming back up. We also, because the altcoin market bottomed harder than BTC did here, a lot of alts made a V bottom and then had a big strong move off of the lows, right? Big strong move off the lows. That creates what we call a wall concept in what we do. And we were waiting for the next pullback to buy into that dip. And so we got this pullback yesterday with the cycle. So what did we do? We bought a lot of the names we like. And let me show you, now we're getting rewarded. So this is how you trade and add and reduce to your positions around what the market's doing. This was a great example today on the 4 hour. See if these alts are, can take a quick look. So for example, Cardano, what's it looking like on the 4 hour this morning? Pullback, 4 hour cycle is low. We rallied off 7.5 cents. Not a huge rally, but this could continue, right? We could easily be back at 9 cents. Binance bought yesterday. Bought it really well. Down in the 9 handle, it's almost up at 10. 4 hour cycle. EOS. Same thing, nice buys yesterday. Held off on Neo. 0x, nice 4 hour bottoming cycle. Would expect more follow through on Ether. It hasn't really bounced at all. Did buy that yesterday. Maybe we can get some more follow through. All right, so from here on our buys, if we don't rally on some of these alts that we bought, it just is what it is. We're either going to rally and we're going to take profit back into this resistance from the top of the cycle to 200. Or if, again, the daily cycle plays out on BTC, and we're gonna get a chance to probably buy below 200 again. Either way, I bought here within mind that I'm gonna buy more on bigger size down here with the daily cycle on BTC. Maybe that's towards 6,000, 5,900 in futures. But at the same time, we've got a nice 4-hour cycle. Let's see nibble on some. If we rally, great. We're going to take into this area. So that's how we're playing the market right now. I'm not going to get in on all the direction. If we do some live sessions today, which I think we will, we can talk individual coins then, guys. So join us then. Follow us on our YouTube channel. Going live a lot more. Just talk whatever. Talking mining, whatever you guys want to talk about, just join us there. But that's just a quick overview of what I'm doing here on the cycles today, this morning.